I love a good at-home self-care day, and I am a huge fan of the under eye patches. And these ones were sent for my review, and I'm going to try them out for the very first time. I did not bring a mirror in front of me, so I'm probably going to look a little bit silly trying to put these on, but that is okay. So this is like a cute little pack. I love how compact it is, and there are 60 pieces in here, so for under each. So obviously you can do that 30 times. Just had a quick glance in here. So you want to like wash and dry your face. You want to put them on for like 15 to 20 minutes. And it did say, which I've never seen that before, which I thought is kind of a good idea. They said when you take them off, because these ones are like, they're slimy, right? Which I love. I love the way that feels. You want to just then kind of like rub the rest of it into your skin. I was like, oh, that's a good idea. And just at a quick glance, like there's tons of great stuff in here, but there's like collagen, there's hyaluronic acid, there's like a fruit extract, there's even like snail excretion filtration or filtrate, sorry. So yeah, lots of really great stuff. And let's just go ahead and see what they look like. So I'm gonna open this up. I love when they have, so this like little spoon will help you take them out. I just like stick my fingers in there and grab them. So let's open that up. Ooh, they're like pink and shiny. I think I saw they also have green ones and white ones. Very faint smell, which is good. I don't love anything that's like too like perfumey, because like, as you can see my face, like I have like, you know, very like sensitive skin. So I'm interested to see. So let's go ahead. We'll do one at a time. So these ones you want to go, again, probably easier if I had a mirror. Hopefully these are in the right spot. Nice and slimy. Let's not get that in our mouth. So you want to put that underneath, obviously not in your eye. And then we'll grab this one. Go right underneath there. I love this. It feels so nice and cool. I do love all the slimy. I never thought to like rub that in. That is such a good idea. So then, yeah, they do stay on your face because they are slimy. And again, 15 to 20 minutes, you can still do your thing. I usually like to just lay in bed and just chill when I have these on. And yeah, and then we're going to take them off after a little bit. But yeah, they feel really great. I think they're really cute. I love the little compact case. So if you're looking for some under eye patches, these are fun.